Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Grab It tool is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets you'll ever add to your home or workshop, designed to effortlessly tackle those awkward, hard-to-reach items and simplify everyday tasks with its unique gripping mechanism and ergonomic design, making it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their efficiency and convenience around the house or on the go. Number 5. RMS 34-inch Extra Long Reacher Grabber. This tool is designed for individuals facing mobility limitations or difficulty bending and grasping. It helps you safely retrieve everyday items without strain. With an extended reach and a rotating jaw, you can pick up objects from the floor, shelves, or tight spaces. Maintain safe posture and balance while reaching. Its full hand trigger and soft, non-slip jaw make it ideal for those with reduced grip strength or limited dexterity. It's comfortable and easy to operate. Built with a strong internal mechanism, this grabber is both durable and lightweight. It conveniently folds in half for easy storage or travel. This essential tool supports your daily routine, helping you maintain independence. It reduces the risk of falls and assists with everyday activities. What we like. This tool offers an extended 34-inch reach with a rotating jaw, making it excellent for retrieving items from difficult spots. Its foldable and lightweight design ensures easy storage and portability. If you have long-term mobility limitations or need assistance with everyday bending and grasping, this is a great choice for maintaining independence. What people say. It picks up very thin small items like coins, thin pieces of paper that other grabbers just can't hold on to. The gripper holds on tight, making it much more easy to move things around. This item is very light and easy to use, plus it folds up to store. Number 4. Kekoy 32 Grabber Reacher Tool 2-Pack. Introducing our upgraded grabber tool, now featuring a built-in headlight. It's perfect for finding items in dark spaces, ensuring you never miss a thing. With a 32-inch extension and a 90-degree rotating head, you can easily reach items on high shelves or the floor. It helps reduce contact with surfaces, keeping you cleaner and safer. Crafted with anti-slip material, the jaws ensure a secure grip on various objects. A powerful magnet tip is also included for picking up small metal items. Say goodbye to bending and straining. These tools are ideal for the elderly, pregnant women, or anyone needing assistance with reaching items around the house or outdoors. This set includes 2 grabber tools, so you can keep one in a convenient location, like the living room, and another in the kitchen. It's a practical solution for everyday needs. These grabber tools are built to last and designed for ease of use by all ages. We offer dedicated customer service to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This option comes with a handy built-in headlight, perfect for finding items in dark spaces. It offers a 32-inch reach and a 90 degrees rotating head for versatile grabbing. If you often need to pick up items in dimly lit areas or want the convenience of a magnetic tip for small metal objects, this 2-pack offers great value. What people say. The Grab It tool is a game-changer for reaching items in tight spaces. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The powerful grip ensures that even slippery objects are held securely. Number 3. EZPIK Pro 36 Folding Grabber Tool. Experience the gold standard in reacher tools with our patented 36-inch folding grabber. It boasts a 5 pounds vertical lift capacity, 360 degrees rotating jaw, and dual magnetic tips, outperforming competitors in versatility and functionality. Our extra-wide 4-inch anti-slip silicone jaw ensures a secure hold on objects of all sizes and textures. The 36-inch reach surpasses standard models, allowing you to easily access high shelves or floor items without straining. Tackle any task with our unique rotating mechanical gripper and powerful magnets. Effortlessly pick up everything from small metallic items to larger objects up to 5 pounds, making it your versatile companion for various needs. Featuring a clever folding mechanism, it collapses to just 13 inches for easy storage and travel. Crafted from lightweight yet sturdy materials, it reduces fatigue during extended use with its ergonomic design. More than just a reaching aid, it's a thoughtful gift of self-reliance. This versatile tool helps maintain dignity and reduce reliance on others, offering peace of mind with included accessories and support. What we like. Boasting an award-winning design, this grabber features a robust 5 pounds lift capacity and dual magnetic tips for versatility. Its 36-inch reach and 360 degrees rotating jaw handle a wide range of tasks. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, versatile tool that can handle both small metallic items and heavier objects, this is an excellent option for empowering independence. What people say. It breaks down and easy to transport. Claw can rotate depending on what you need to grab. Nice long reach. Pistol grip is very ergonomic. Great that it folds in half for storage. Very sturdy. The grabber has a very strong grip and can pick up small items as well. But what I like best of all is that it folds in half and there is a clip to keep it closed. Number 2. 2-pack 32 long grabber reacher pickup tool. Tired of struggling to reach items? Our grabber tool makes it simple to pick up objects from high, low, far, and narrow spaces with its ergonomic handle and easy-to-use button. Avoid dangerous situations like climbing ladders. This tool allows you to safely retrieve items without any risk of accidents, reducing physical strain. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to carry and store. Keep your home tidy and enjoy the convenience of a tool that fits anywhere. The jaw rotates a full 360 degrees, allowing you to reach even the most awkward spots. Plus, the rubberized grip ensures you can securely pick up slippery items. This tool is perfect for the elderly, children, or anyone needing a little extra help. Give the gift of independence and make daily tasks easier for your loved ones. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, please reach out to us, and we'll make it right. What we like. With an ergonomic handle and a 360 degrees rotating jaw, this grabber makes reaching items in tight spots effortless. The simple button press allows for easy clutching and releasing, minimizing physical strain. If you prioritize a comfortable grip and the ability to maneuver into awkward spaces, this foldable tool is a practical choice for daily tasks. What people say. The rubber tips can grab the smallest objects. Great for reaching things on the shelves. Very durable and well built. This grabber easily picks up multiple items at one time. Folds almost completely flat, so it's also super easy to store. It grabs more than just socks. I was picking up all sorts of things with this, from rolls of tape to pieces of PF paper. If you need to grab something out of reach, this is the tool for you. Number 1. SONGMICS 360 degrees Swivel Jewelry Cabinet UJJC006X01. Never worry about where to put your jewelry and makeup again. This organizer offers dedicated spaces for everything, from earrings and rings to necklaces and bracelets, ensuring all your precious items have their place. Get ready in style with this versatile cabinet. It features a full-length mirror, ample storage for accessories, and convenient back shelves, making it easy to organize your jewelry, makeup, and even bags. Streamline your beauty routine with dedicated compartments for masks, brushes, lipsticks, and perfumes. The interior mirror allows for quick touch-ups, ensuring you look your best. Crafted with quality materials and a stable base, this cabinet is built for durability. The soft velvet lining protects your jewelry, while the lockable design keeps your valuables secure. With its elegant design and practical functionality, this jewelry cabinet makes a wonderful gift. Treat yourself or surprise a loved one with this beautiful and useful present. What we like. This item offers extensive storage with 120 earring slots, 54 stud holes, and more, plus a full-length mirror and rear shelves. Its 3-in-1 design integrates a beauty station with an interior mirror for a complete routine. If you're looking for a stylish and functional way to organize a large jewelry collection and streamline your beauty routine, this lockable cabinet is a perfect gift idea. What people say. It's great in a dorm as it does not take up a lot of floor space and adds so much storage space for all her jewelry and perfumes and body sprays. There is so much storage room and the mirror is of very nice quality materials. I was not disappointed at all and very shocked by the heaviness and sturdiness of the final product, once out together. Assembled in minutes and it's wonderful, looks exactly like the pictures. The door stays open easily even when weighted down with a ton of jewelry. Not sure why others have an issue with this. The hinges on the door are made exactly for that function, to allow the door to rest open without falling open at 180 degrees, or shutting back on you. This jewelry case has been perfect for my wife, who is able to organize her jewelry into one place and make everything easy to find. It has specific places to hold earrings, bracelets and necklaces, along with several shelves inside and behind it. It has a long mirror on the front, and a small mirror inside. It stands about 5 feet tall, so if you are taller, you will need to stand a little further away to use it as a full-length mirror. The mirror is very good, and there is no distortion that I have noticed. It looks very nice and the wood quality is decent. It can swivel 360 degrees. The door can be locked with the included keys. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.